I've been in IT for over 40 years, and I've seen the role of CTO change over those 40 years. In fact, in the last decade, it's changed a lot. I've watched technology grow or shrink because a few 40 years ago we had mainframes, they filled rooms. Today, our wristwatches are more powerful. And along with that comes a proliferation of devices. And we have the Internet of Things, we have mobile devices, we have laptops. Everything is a computer these days, including your crock pot and your refrigerator. So here we are in an age where we have to keep track of just about everything. We need to know where our assets are, whether they're aging, when they need to be maintained, and when they need to be replaced. Unused and misplaced assets has always been a common issue. And tracking software licenses, which is a critical compliance issue, has never been more difficult. We need some kind of tool that tracks all of our assets throughout the office and wherever we send our employees. One major issue that many companies fail to notice is their inability to make good decisions about IT and the assets. And that costs us and everyone I've worked for in the past a lot of money.
With over 200 employees, we needed a systematic way to track all of our IT and non-IT assets for our employees. So we created Inventory Asset Tracking System for our company. And then we decided to roll it out to the marketplace because we saw a huge need. Our employees are not the only asset that matters to us. Our customers mean a whole lot. And being an ISO 9000 certified company, having tools like IATS create best practices that keep our employees and customers happy. IATS allows organizations to have a centralized inventory for quick and easy access to know where your assets are located, who are using those assets, and when those assets should be updated and changed. Great things about IATS is that it's configurable and customizable to fit any organizations by size or even requirements. You have the ability to create relationships between assets to asset and also internal stakeholders. But also, it helps keep counts accurate through asset reservation requests and comprehensive reporting.